Oh, the parades, that was even something more special because the parades, just once again, just seeing the light in my kids' eyes and stuff that they haven't ever seen before. Because, I mean, we have parades in Dallas, but nothing like these parades.
My name is Stephanie Sabirai. I'm from Oglesby, Illinois, and we're at the Epcot Center at Disney World, and we're about to see the parade. There's a person controlling a robot thing. Here's a person playing the drums. There's a different person controlling something. It's like a robot deal. There it is, even closer. There's a mask, and they're really cool. It's controlling it by hand and stuff. Walt Disney World is a great place to come. If you have a chance, come again. Good drums, good drummer players. They must study for this thing. Here comes an imaginary person. It looks like a mummy. It's got awesome colors. It's got red, purple, like a brownish tan or something. They're playing bells, drums. It's really cool. There's a puppet holding a different puppet. Puppet holding the puppet. Awesome. There's another one like that. Here comes the Indian man dancing with them. They're bowing. Give a round of applause.
Hi, my name is Jessica, and we're about to watch the fireworks. There's some red and green. There's all colors, and they're flying around. The earth is really pretty. You can see pictures in the earth. I could stay here forever. Now the fireworks are going back off, and they're all purple, and they're flying all over the sky. You could almost touch them. Oh, wow. They look like they're about to come at you.
Oh, wow.
They look like little bubbles in the sky. Oh, look, it's doing it again. Look. They look like fireflies shooting in the sky. I thought the fireworks were really pretty. I think you should come, and I think I should stay here forever.